Hi everyone, my name is Jamie Rifkowitz and I'm the new technology facilitator for the Kenilworth District. I'm beyond excited to join this team and look forward to working with all of you. Here's a video on how to use your Chromebook. Enjoy!
To power on your Chromebook, you want to look on the left side. All the way in the back is the power button. You press that once, wait for it to open up, and then you want to log in with your KSDNJ Gmail account provided by the district. Now, if you don't have internet, since you can't play the dinosaur game, in the bottom right, click the Wi-Fi icon, and then if you click here, you'll see available Wi-Fi's for your device. If you want to pin a new app to the taskbar, in the bottom right while it's open, use 2 fingers to press down on the app icon, and then click pin. Now even if you close that app, it'll still be on the bottom bar for you to use when you need it. Believe it or not, your device is touchscreen compatible. You can use touchscreen how your laptop normally is, or you can flip the screen back and it becomes just like a touchscreen tablet. When the work's all done for the day, do not forget to sign out in the bottom right of your laptop and close it so it goes to sleep mode. Good night, little buddy.